Hi guys, it's Dean here from the Strike engineering team. I've just got a quick solution here for anyone stuck in isolation and getting a sore arm from holding their phone up in bed for too long and watching Netflix. So what I've got here is just a Strike universal cradle. This one's a wireless charging option. You can also get the manual plug-in versions with USB-C, lightning connector, micro USB, whatever you need. This is one of our standard windscreen mounts, and this is the little plastic disc that comes with those. That's going to allow us to use the 3M double-sided sticker on the bottom to stick it to your bedside table and use it to watch whatever you like on your phone while you're stuck at home. So give me a second, I'm just going to wipe down this table to make it stick nice and firmly. It won't be a second. Okay, there we go. So as I said, I've used an alcohol wipe to wipe down the surface I'm sticking to, and while I was at it, I've also given this part of the plastic disc a wipe, as well as the underside of that suction cup, just so we can have a nice firm mounting between those two. So if I try to do this with one hand, pop that in there. There's a little trigger at the back you can push down on to click it into place. Now that's suctioned on. All right, and then we can pop the cradle on, if I can find those without looking. There it is. So that clicks into place. Pop this in there. Just doing this one-handed, obviously it's a bit easier, but when you're ready to watch something, you can just choose it, twist it around, and there it is for your viewing pleasure. All right, hope this is helpful to some of you. Be safe out there. Cheers.